Yesterday I came across one case of this gallbladder calculus, and in that case I had seen this gallbladder in 36 years female who was complaining of severe pain in right hypochondrial region since 1 or 2 days. The pain was of moderate to severe type, and here one very important thing that I noticed in that case is that this diameter from here to here at the fundus, it was measuring up to 4.6 centimeter. Normally I had seen the gallbladder which are distended up to 4 centimeter maximum, not beyond 4 centimeter, but this gallbladder was measuring 4.6 centimeter here in this direction. And this is quite significant because in female uh, up to 4 centimeter also it is called significantly over distended tense gallbladder. So this diameter 4.6 is even more what we say severe distension type. Another thing, as you can see here, is that this gallbladder is very enlarged with the fluid inside. The gallbladder volume, it measured around 158 cc, 160 cc roughly. I measured in this longitudinal AP transverse, and this volume came. There were the reason of this tense gallbladder was multiple calculi which are located at the neck region. There were around 3 to 4 calculi of 10 to 16 mm size. Here you can see these calculi. And I had uploaded the data of the gallbladder volume and the maximum this diameter data in my Facebook page, Ultrasound Learning Research and Case Discussion. So in that you just go to the section of gallbladder volume in female. You will get the data of this diameter of the positive and the normal case. So specifically this video is to show that this diameter is quite what we say high. This is quite more in size. 4.6 I had never seen till now in last 8 to 10 years. Thank you.